less careless.
I'm watching you, Wazowski. Always watching. Whew.
Okay, so I'll be showing you how to set up a USB webcam that streams to the internet, plays an alert when it sees somebody move, and emails you to let you know you've got an intruder in your house. For this I'll be using a Raspberry Pi 3B Plus and a really old USB webcam. So when you first open your Raspberry Pi, you're going to want to update it and upgrade it with the following commands. Just pause at any time to see what I'm actually typing up. And don't make the same spelling mistakes. Next, we're going to install the package Motion, which we'll be using to operate our webcam. We'll also be installing the package socks, which we'll be using to be able to play MP3s in a Python code. Obviously I've already got these installed, so I'm not running these commands, but you definitely should. And for socks we need one of its libraries to play MP3s, so go ahead and pause and see what I typed in there. It's libsocks-fmt.mp3, and you want to run that as well to download that library. Next, you want to download the audio file you'll be using. I went to moviesounds.org to get the Mike Wazowski one from Monsters Inc. And I've saved it as watching you MP3. So to give an example of how socks works, if you copy your extension, go into your terminal, and the command that you can use with socks is play. So you type play, add your extension, add your file name, and when you run that, the Raspberry Pi will play your audio file. So this is what we'll be doing, and combining that with the webcam. Now the optional part is to add an email alert to your webcam as well. That's done pretty easily with a simple Python code. You'll need a Python IDE. I use Thony, and it only works with Google Mail at the moment. So you'll just need to put in your email and your password, and then if you want to send it to yourself so it's an alert, that would be your recipient email, and with a subject and a message as well. But that's downloadable from the description, or if you're a friend of mine, just text me and I'll send it to you. Now you want to edit Motion's configurations, so you're going to go type in sudo nano your extension for Motion, and then motion.conf. Again, I make shit errors in my typing. Now there's heaps of things in here that are, you can change if you like, but the main ones to make sure this works are that daemon mode is off. You want to be streaming to port 8081. You'll see why that's important in a second. You want to stream Motion on, obviously. You want to make sure that the local host is off so that you can see the video on other devices like your laptop. On event start, so when it detects Motion, you want to type in your play command. And on event end, so that you don't get heaps of emails once someone's out of frame, you want to get Python to run your email alert. Pause the video anytime just to see what I've typed in there. And make sure that the semicolon that will be there by default, that you delete this. Now go ahead and exit out of this and make sure to change save your changes. What you need to do now is restart Motion with the following command. This makes sure that it loads back up with your new configurations. And now go ahead and find out your IP address if you don't already know it with the command ifconfig. And you can use this IP address on laptops and phones on the same network to watch your webcam, because it will be live streaming. So you put in your IP address with a colon and then 8081 is the extension. Now you want to go ahead and start Motion with the extension -n so that Motion will print what it's doing so you can see what's happening. Once you do that, you're able to open Chrome and your webcam should be streaming. So if you just refresh your page, there we go, it's me clicking like a tit. And because my webcam's seen me, it's been playing the audio file. So yeah, that's everything.
Less careless. I'm watching you, Wazowski. Always watching.